If you want to make money while you sleep, travel the world without worrying about a paycheck, or just build long-term wealth, you're in the right place. You see that beach behind me? That could be you, but instead of stressing about work emails, you're sipping on something tropical and checking your phone to see how much money you made while you were offline. That's the power of passive income, and today, I'm giving you 25 ideas for 2025 that actually work. From low-effort side hustles to smart investments, there's something here for everyone, no matter your budget or experience level. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential and start building your dream life? Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a money-making tip. Let's dive into these 25 passive income ideas that could change your life. Alright, first up is one of my favorite ways to generate passive income: online courses. Platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy make it easy to package your knowledge into video lessons, downloadable resources, and community forums. You put in the work once to create a killer course, and then it's evergreen, meaning you earn passive income every time someone signs up, even years later. If you've got a way with words and a knack for storytelling, ebooks are your new best friend. Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, KDP, and platforms like Gumroad make it incredibly simple to self-publish your ebook and get it in front of millions of potential readers worldwide. You set the price, upload your manuscript, and boom, you're in business. Every sale puts money directly in your pocket, and just like online courses, it's passive income that keeps on giving. Blogging may seem so 2010, but trust me, it's still a powerhouse for generating passive income. Once you start consistently pumping out high-quality content optimized for search engines, SEO, you'll attract a loyal audience. From there, you can monetize through affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services. Chapter 4. Create a YouTube channel. Lights, camera, passive income. Okay, we all know and love YouTube. But here's the thing. YouTube is also a goldmine for passive income if you're willing to put in the work up front. Find your niche, just like with blogging, and start creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can monetize through ads, channel memberships, super chats, merchandise shelves, and even brand deals. Chapter 5. License stock photos or videos. Turn your snapshots into cash. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo, and Pexels are constantly looking for high-quality, royalty-free images and footage to add to their libraries. Every time someone downloads your photo or video, you get paid a royalty. It's a numbers game, so the more you upload and the better your content, the more passive income you can generate. Chapter 6. Dividend stocks. Get paid to own a piece of a company. One of my favorite passive income strategies is investing in dividend stocks. You buy a small piece of a company, a share, and if that company is profitable, they'll share some of their profits with you in the form of dividends, usually paid out quarterly. Over time, those dividends can really add up and provide you with a steady stream of passive income. Chapter 7. Real estate is a fantastic way to build wealth, but being a landlord isn't for everyone. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet let you invest in commercial or residential real estate projects with much lower barriers to entry than traditional real estate investing. You pool your money with other investors, and the platform handles all the hard work, finding properties, managing tenants, collecting rent, etc. Of course, if you're willing to put in a bit more work up front, buying and renting out your own property can be a lucrative passive income stream. You can hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day tasks like finding tenants, collecting rent, and dealing with maintenance issues. Plus, you benefit from appreciation tax advantages and potentially even cash flow. Chapter 9. Want to invest in real estate without the hassle of actually owning physical property? REITs, or real estate investment trusts, are your answer. REITs are required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends, making them a fantastic source of passive income. Plus, they're highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell them easily on stock exchanges. Ever wish you could be on the other side of the lending equation? Well, now you can with peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper. These platforms connect borrowers looking for personal loans with investors willing to lend money for a return. Just be sure to diversify your investments to mitigate risk. If you've got a creative flair and an eye for design, print-on-demand products could be your ticket to passive income. With platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Society6, You can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, wall art, and more, all without holding any inventory. You simply collect your profits. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creativity and reach a global audience. Digital products are all the rage, and for good reason. They're incredibly scalable and offer amazing profit margins. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market make it easy to set up shop and start selling your digital downloads. You create the product once and then it's available for purchase 24/7, generating passive income while you sleep, eat, or live your best life. Okay, this one's a bit more advanced and requires some technical know-how, or the willingness to hire a developer, but building an app or SaaS, software as a service, can be a game changer in the passive income world. The key is to identify a problem that people are facing and create a solution in the form of an app or software. If you can create something truly valuable and market it effectively, you could be sitting on a gold mine of recurring revenue. Remember what I said about becoming an authority in your niche? Well, newsletters are a fantastic way to do just that. Platforms like Substack, ConvertKit, and MailChimp make it incredibly easy to build an email list and start sharing your expertise with a targeted audience. You can choose to offer your newsletter for free and monetize through affiliate links, sponsored content, or selling your own products and services. Domain names are like virtual real estate. They're limited in quantity, and some are worth a whole lot of money. Domain flipping is the art of buying domain names at a lower price, and then selling them for a profit to businesses or individuals looking for that specific domain. It definitely requires some research and market knowledge, but if you can snag the right domain, you could be sitting on a digital gold mine. Affiliate marketing is like having your own army of salespeople working for you 24/7, except you don't have to pay them salaries or benefits. It's all about partnering with brands and businesses whose products or services you genuinely love and recommend them to your audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be integrated into almost any online platform: your blog, YouTube channel, social media, even your email signature. Dropshipping has become incredibly popular in recent years, and for good reason. It's a low-risk, low-cost way to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce. You create an online store. Platforms like Shopify make it super easy. List products from suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You're essentially the middleman, connecting buyers and suppliers and taking a cut of each sale. Musicians, sound designers, and audiophiles, this one's for you. If you're passionate about creating music or sound effects, you can license your work to platforms like Epidemic Sound, Audio Jungle, and Pond5. Every time someone uses your track, you get paid a royalty. It's a fantastic way to monetize your creative talents and earn passive income from your passion. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, exploded in popularity, and while the hype has died down a bit, there's still a lot of potential for passive income, especially with NFTs that offer real-world utility. If you can create NFTs that provide genuine value to holders, you can tap into a passionate community and generate passive income through royalties on secondary sales. Notion has become the go-to productivity and organization tool for individuals and teams, and with its powerful features and customization options, it's no surprise that there's a huge market for pre-built Notion templates. If you're a Notion whiz and love creating efficient workflows, beautiful dashboards, or comprehensive databases, you can package your templates and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we invest, and AI-driven ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are at the forefront of this revolution. While it's important to remember that all investments carry some level of risk, AI-driven ETFs offer a potentially more data-driven and hands-off approach to building long-term wealth. AI chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and with platforms like GPT-3, you can create incredibly human-like chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries, answer FAQs, qualify leads, and even provide personalized recommendations. If you can identify a niche website or business that could benefit from automated customer service or engagement, you can build and license your AI chatbot, generating recurring revenue without lifting a finger. Once it's up and running, of course. Chapter 23. Sell AI-generated art or merch, the future of creativity. AI art generators like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, and Stable Diffusion have taken the art world by storm, allowing anyone to create stunning, unique artwork with just a few text prompts. You can sell your AI-generated art as prints, digital downloads, or even use it to create custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Chapter 24. Rent out your car, turn your wheels into cash. Platforms like Turo and GetAround allow you to rent out your car to vetted drivers, setting your own rates and availability. If you're comfortable sharing your ride, it can be a lucrative way to offset car ownership expenses or even generate extra income. Title license a product idea. The inventor's path to passive income. Have a brilliant product idea but lack the resources or desire to bring it to market yourself. You can license your idea to an existing company and collect royalties on every sale. It's a longer-term play, but if your idea is a hit, those royalties can provide you with a comfortable stream of passive income for years to come. Outro. Start building your passive income streams today. That's it, 25 passive income ideas for 2025. Some take time to build, some take money, but they all share one thing: they can earn while you sleep. Which one are you going to try? Drop a comment below. I read everyone. If this video inspired you to start building your passive income empire, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear it. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss future money hacks. Let's make 2025 our most profitable year yet.